So as a developer which wanted to quit the programming and basically did it, I perfectly understand in what kind of case and circumstances you are. Let's look at your problem in the details. So the reason why you are quitting a programming, or in other words, why you are quitting a program, because you are struggling or have a problems. The reason why you are struggling or what kind of problems you are having that made you to quit the programming. In my opinion, or how it was in my case, the type of problem which I had at the beginning was I didn't know what to learn, how to learn, and how to execute this knowledge in the real life, in a real project. Disclaimer, this video is not from the guy which learned how to code in 4 months, 2 months, or 2 weeks, whatever. My journey was freaking hard, but it worth it. And I cannot promise you and guarantee you that your journey is gonna be easy, colorful, and joyful. Because this entire YouTube channel basically based on me and my personal experience. And my personal experience wasn't easy. But if you are not scared of hard work and sleepless nights, you are welcome. So let's deal with your first problem. You don't know what to learn. The reason you are having this problem is that you're overthinking the most simple step in your career. Career is a such thing which you can change basically whenever you want. But instead you are preferring to watch trillions of videos on how to choose the best programming language or learn this programming language in year whatever. Just take the list of top 10 programming languages of the year you're living right now and choose one. But if you are so indecisive that this way didn't help you, just search online random number generator from 1 to 10 and learn this freaking programming language from the list. This method of just picking the first programming language I already covered in my many videos a lot of times, but as I can see, not many people are watching them, so please make sure that you subscribe, guys. The reason why you are having the second problem, you don't know how to learn this program, which you already choose it, is that you don't have a roadmap, plan, or clear goal in your mind. And yeah, by the way, creating an app or changing the world is not the base target for you for near 2 years, because you're not just qualified enough for this. And if you tick it the first box, choosing your first programming language, the only thing which lasts for you is the journey, the hardest one, the process of learning. Here's how you're gonna do it. Talk to right-minded people which are learning how to code or even learning how to code exact same programming language as you are. The second one, watch and consume the basics of the technology you are learning from online courses, free tutorials, and YouTube. The third and my most loved one, the way I'm gonna recommend and I personally prefer to learn to code, is to find the online course on sale or with a huge discount on Udemy, because this is the exact same way which I eventually choose for learning how to code. This is the coding bootcamps. The upside of the coding bootcamps that you already have a community, learning the same programming language as you and the teacher which can help you anytime when you want. So let's dive into the third problem which you are having. You don't know what the heck to do with the knowledge you have, how to apply and execute this knowledge into the real world. Now we have a whole new level problem. Let's say now you know how to code and you give it 100% of yourself, but now you have to deal with the real world, all of these HRs and managers and pet projects. Thanks to God, during your learning process, you with a high chance already created a couple of pet projects which you can show to them. But even if you don't have any kind of pet projects, it's a great idea to apply for a couple of companies, because during the interview they're gonna give you a couple of problems and ideas for pet projects that you will have to do for them, and then you can take these pet projects to your real portfolio. So let's just make little summary for all this whole video. You need to have a clear plan. You need to choose your first programming language immediately. Set a goal, create a roadmap, and write ton of code every freaking day. Build projects, solve problems, write a code. So keep in mind the words of founder of Alibaba, Jack Ma. The tomorrow gonna be hard. Day after tomorrow gonna be even hard. But the days after all this hardcore times gonna be amazing. And yes, learn to code is hard. Yes, landing your first job even harder than this. But let's just imagine, predict what could potentially happen with you and the level of your life if you keep going. And if you are a programmer which just quit programming because it's freaking hard, or I don't know what to do or how to do, get back to work. Rewatch this video, rewatch other my videos, get back to work. And at the end of this video, I want to say you guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe and see you in the next episode.